So you're driving down the road in your shit box and you go, man, my headlights suck. So in this video I'm going to show you what to do about it. What you're going to need is some 400 sandpaper, some 800, and some 1500 sandpaper. Now this is going to be enough to do both headlights. You're going to need a bucket of water, some rags, and then some turtle wax and some Armor All. So I'm going to show you what I do. I start out by dipping these papers in the water, getting them wet, get this wet, get it wet, and just fold it in half and just gently sand this. You're trying to get this, you can see the stuff coming off already. You ain't gotta be real pretty because it's just a shit box, but you need to be able to see, deer coming. And in this winter time here, so it's cold out, so we're doing this in the garage. At least it's heated in here, and you just want to all go the same way. And that's it for the 400. Rinse it off. Should look something like that. Now we jump up to the 800. Wash it off. Take a look at how fine your scratches are. Now we're going to jump up to the 1500. Make this the rinsing rag. We'll rinse it off. Now you can see it looks way different already. And then you get out the turtle wax. And you put some on there, and you want to put this on and let it dry. Put it on, let it dry. This is my cordless drill with a buffing wheel on it. Okay? I'm going to get it wet. Spin it out a little bit. And this is about dry, so we're just gonna go to town on it. We can work it hard. Now we've let that dry. The buffing pad's still wet. We're gonna buff it again, but at a lot higher speed. Alright, now that you've pressed hard, now we're going to go really light. After it's starting to look pretty darn good, you take some of this Armor All because it has UV protection, okay? And you spray it on that. And spray it on your buffing wheel a little bit. Especially on the outer edge. And then you work that in. About that long, just take a clean wet rag and wipe it off. And look at that baby. That thing looks like brand new. It took me about 10 minutes to do that. And I guarantee you it will shine way brighter. than it did before. So what do you think? Leave a comment below. So just for comparison, this is the one I just did. And here's the one on the other side. Tell me that wasn't worth 10 minutes of my time. I think it was. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.